Today we're going to be giving you or showing you a diagram of the matrix model and how to solve it. I, Mr. Kester, will be your audio voice, and Mr. Hall will be using his magic pen or pencil to answer the questions and solve the problem. The matrix is just another way to solve double-digit multiplication. When Mr. Hall sets up the matrix, you can see that you'll be adding sideways, horizontally, and up and down vertically. You'll also need that area on the right side as a scratch paper for later. Mr. Hall is going to multiply 25 times 16, but when he sets it up, he puts 2 10s, which stands for 20, and 5 1s, which together make 25. On the other side, he's going to make 16 with 1 10 and 6 1s. Added together makes 16. Each set of these numbers will collide in one box. When they collide, we're actually multiplying the two numbers together. What we like to tell the students is that they're demolition derby cars that are about to wreck into each other. Number 20 and number 10 car are going to collide in the top left box. 20 times 10 sounds a little bit like na 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 na, ba 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 ba. And when they smash together, 2 times 1 is 2, and we have 2 goose eggs on the back from the 2 zeros, 200, or 2 tires that just flew off. When 6 runs into 20 on the demolition derby field, 20 sounds a lot stronger, wah, bah, 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 and 6 sounds like a weed whacker. When Mr. Hall multiplies them together, 20 times 6 is 120. Fantastic, Mr. Hall. Mr. Hall decides he wants to add these up right now. So he's going to add his 2 zeros, or 2 goose eggs, or 2 tires, and he knows that a nothing plus a nothing is nothing. 0 plus 2 is 2, and 1 plus 2 is 3. Fantastic, Mr. Hall. You did 1/2 already. Now we're going to multiply on the right side. 5 times 10, which is 50. Thank you, Mr. Hall. And you did an excellent job. Now Mr. Hall is going to multiply his 5 1s and his 6 1s, and he's going to make sure that he lines it up straight. 5 times 6 is 30. Great job, Mr. Hall. 0 plus 0 is 0, and 3 plus 5 is 8. Now, Mr. Hall has 2 numbers over here, and they're 320 plus 80, and he knows the 4th grade law cannot be broken, so he must add up and down or vertically, because adding sideways is against the law. When he adds 0 plus 0, he gets 0. 8 plus 2 is 10, 0 down, pop a wheelie, put 1 up. 3 plus 1 is 4, and Mr. Hall has his answer going horizontally at 400. Now, he's going to do the same thing when he adds 200 plus 50. When he adds 200 plus 50, a lot of kids can do it in their head, and they know it's 250, but we should like to show our work because we want to be the best and the brightest. Now he has to add one more set, sideways, and you know you can't do that, so you have to stack them. 0 plus 0 is 0, 3 plus 2 is 5, and 1 plus nothing is 1. Mr. Hall has 150. He can incorporate that underneath this 250, and then he can add them again to make sure that he gets 400. 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 5 is 10, pop a wheelie, 1 up, 1 plus 2 is 1, and 1 more is 4. 400. Mr. Hall has 400 matching both ways, and that's why the matrix is mathemagical.